Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are joining us. It's the Church Multimedia Creative, and today, once again, we'll be looking at EasyWorship Profile Transfer Tool using a flash drive. So, EasyWorship released a new profile transfer tool which helps us transfer our profile from one EasyWorship system to another system. EasyWorship having you to have the same profile, more like our previous video, which we manually did, copying from your EasyWorship database from one system to another. So before we begin this, first you need to have a flash drive. So we're going to using a flash drive for this section. I'm going to plug in my flash drive into the system now so we can begin. So my flash drive is installed, is plugged in already. Okay, so I'm just gonna begin now. Okay, so first what you need to do is make sure your EasyWorship is installed on your system. You don't have to open it up, you just need to have it installed on your system. So next you go into your flash drive and you copy this file to your flash. So this is the EasyWorship profile transfer. So it's a .exe file which is going to help us copy our profile. Please note the file is not supposed to be on your system, so you can have it downloaded on your system, but once you want to run the profile transfer, you have to copy it to your flash. That's why you see I have it here in my flash, and you're going to run it from your flash. So we're just going to begin now. I'm just going to double tap on it, and I'm just going to allow it to load. Please note once more, you have to have EasyWorship installed on your system. So this is what we have. Action, we do like to import or export profiles. So I'm just going to select export profiles because we are copying the database of this system into another. So I'm going to click on next. So I have different profiles here. As you can see, I have EasyWorship 7 2007 2009 default here. I have the EasyWorship 7 copied from previous system. Have EasyWorship 7 default, EasyWorship new system, EasyWorship old system. So I'm just going to explain. From the first one, you saw EasyWorship 27 to 29 default. So this is if you are copying for EasyWorship 2009, because I have just going to type EasyWorship here so you see the EasyWorship I have. So I have EasyWorship 7 and EasyWorship 2009 on this system. That's why you can see the profile for EasyWorship 2006, EasyWorship 27 to 29 here. So you can copy that if you want to use it for a system where you have EasyWorship 2009. Against that, we have for EasyWorship 7. So if you want to copy to a system which has EasyWorship 7, this is the right one to choose. So I have copied from previous system. That's one. I copied the database from the previous system. We have default, new system, old system. So I'm going to stick to the default. So the default is the one that comes the EasyWorship, which if you haven't copied database from somewhere else, from another PC to this PC which you're using now, you select default, because by default your profile built from default. So that means all your profile are stored in default, your pictures, your songs, your Bibles, unless you created a new profile. And if you created a new profile, it's going to be listed here. You just have to select it. I'm going to select next, and it's going to say select a location to save your exported file. I'm going to allow it. A subfolder name EasyWorship will be automatically created. So I'm just going to leave this way and allow the flash drive to create the folder. So look at what it's going to include in the resources. We're going to copy our audio, images, video, and schedule. Against that is still also going to copy our database. So I'm just going to click on next now. So mind you, my database showing space required is 1.35 MB. This is because the files on my EasyWorship currently is not heavy. it you have your EasyWorship database, where you have a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, a lot of audios in it. It's going to take a large sum of files because it's going to be copying that file. So be kind enough to get a flash drive that can be suitable for your EasyWorship profile which you want to copy. So I'm just going to click on next now, then export. So we're just going to wait for our profile to finish exporting, and once it's done exporting, it means we can go to any new EasyWorship 7 system and install the profile. So this video is strictly for EasyWorship 7. We're going to be doing another for EasyWorship 2009 for those also who want to copy their EasyWorship profile from 2009 to another system. So you just wait for it to get wrapped up, and here 96% ready. Okay, so it's done exporting. We can now close our flash drive. I'm gonna remove it now. So let's go to the new system. So this is our new system which we want to install the profile which we have copied from our previous system. So I'm gonna allow the flash to open. This is it again. So remember I said the EasyWorship profile transfer tool has to be on your flash drive at all times. So I'm going to come here now and I'm going to click on the file, EasyWorship profile transfer. Now I'm going to select import because we're importing into this new system, and I'm going to click on next and select the location to import from. So what this means is select the location where you want to take the database from. Remember we saved it on the flash drive. We didn't create the folder, and that it's showing F. You can decide to browse and select where you want to take the file from. So now I'm going to go to the flash drive. Now this is it, and EasyWorship profile export, that's our file. So I'm going to click on OK. So that's where we are taking the profile from. So I'm going to click on next, and so please select each profile you want to import. So if you can see, we just have only one profile. Said hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple. So if you want to import multiple profile, let's say you've copied multiple profile and you want to install multiple profile, you can just click on hold or the Shift button to select all of them. So because we just copying the EasyWorship 7 default, I'm going to click on next, and so it's automatically going to install it where on the EasyWorship database for us. So what I meant to say is going to install it on where the EasyWorship stores database, so that the public document self-touch is going to install it there for us. So all you have to do is just click on next and select the version to import. So, and if you want importing 2007, select 2007. If you're importing 2000 EasyWorship 7, you select EasyWorship 7, and you just have to click on next, and it's gonna copy the profile. So I'm just gonna allow it to copy. So your profile is successfully imported. So that's all. We are done with our copying. So now we're gonna test it. So just gonna open our EasyWorship 7.
Okay, so now our EasyWorship is loaded. We want to confirm that the profile which we just copied in went successfully. So now we're going to go to profile. As you can see from the heading, it's showing copied from previous system. So that's the profile I'm using currently. So now I'm going to click on profile and select default, which is the profile which we added, so that I can load in the profile settings from default. So I'm just gonna click on default, and that's saying it's loading. Just gonna allow it to load. Okay, so it's done loading now. It's done loading, and that's how we transfer our EasyWorship profile using the profile tool from one system to another. I hope this video is helpful. Do try it out. Let me know if you have any issues in the comments, and I'll be ready to assist. And until next time, goodbye.